Greetings, everyone. Welcome to Social Insights. For the next 2 weeks, I will guide you through a mindfulness class, where we will learn how to alleviate inner anxiety and unease, live the life we want, foster meaningful relationships, and embrace the peace and happiness of life. Alright, let's get started. The temperature in Texas has risen sharply in recent days, with daytime temperatures exceeding 100 degrees. As a longtime resident of the northern regions, adapting to this change has been difficult. Unfortunately, the air conditioning at home broke a few days ago, which was very frustrating and overwhelming. I suddenly realized that I needed to do something. Of course, the first step was to get the air conditioning fixed. Mindfulness is still relatively unfamiliar to some friends. However, mindfulness has a history of over 2,000 years and is a powerful remedy for self-healing the mind and body. Top universities such as Harvard and Yale have dedicated mindfulness courses for their students, and renowned companies like Google and Apple often encourage employees to practice mindfulness. Why do these elites place such great importance on mindfulness? Mindfulness means living fully in the present moment, being aware of where we are and what we're doing, without overreacting or feeling completely lost about what's happening around us. In simple terms, mindfulness can help alleviate stress, improve focus, enhance sleep quality, manage emotions, and enable us to experience happiness and serenity in life's uncertainties. Mindfulness practice also lets us let go of preconceived notions about people and things, cultivate curiosity about our inner workings, and experience more warmth and kindness toward ourselves, others, and everything around us. When financial pressures weigh you down, when you face intense work stress and anxiety about layoffs, when you frequently argue with your loved one and lack a sense of security, or when you feel lonely and helpless, mindfulness practice can help stabilize your inner being, restore energy, and empower you with composure and wisdom. We cannot prevent the storms that come our way, but mindfulness can teach us to find balance and quickly readjust to a positive state. Remember, you only need 10 minutes daily to experience the inner peace, joy, stress relief, and relaxation that mindfulness brings during your busy life. So, are you ready to get started? Before we officially begin, please take a moment to click on the subscribe button at the bottom right of the screen so that you won't miss out on more exciting videos. Thank you, everyone. In the first episode, I will introduce you to a classic mindfulness exercise called the breathing space practice. This practice can help us relieve stress and reconnect with the present moment anytime, anywhere. First, whether you're standing or sitting, choose a comfortable posture, keeping your back straight but not rigid. If you prefer, you can close your eyes during the practice. Closing your eyes reduces external distractions and helps you better focus inward. Of course, if you keep your eyes open, that's fine too. Whether your eyes are closed or open, pay attention to the internal sensations, open your heart, and let all the feelings come to your awareness. You can ask yourself, what is my inner experience now? What kind of thoughts are present in my mind? You may become aware of specific thoughts, such as unfinished work for today, plans for tomorrow, or what to have for dinner. Your thoughts aren't obvious, and various ideas start to emerge. It's like actors stepping onto a stage. Some thoughts have a longer performance time, some are shorter, some are tragic, some are comedic, and that's okay. Ask yourself, what emotions and sensations am I experiencing now? You might feel boredom, tiredness, or a sense of calm and relaxation. Take note of any pleasant or unpleasant sensations that exist. Whether these emotional experiences are pleasant or unpleasant, there's no need to resist or try to change them, just be aware of their presence. Next, shift your attention from emotions to your body. You can start from the top of your head and move downward, sensing the presence of your body from the inside out. Notice what sensations are present in different parts of your body at this moment, perhaps warmth or coldness, tension or relaxation, pain or numbness, lightness or heaviness, and so on. Pay attention to the existence of these sensations. If there are no distinct sensations, that's okay too. Allow the state of no apparent sensation to be present. Then, focus your attention on the sensations in your body as you breathe. Notice any subtle or noticeable changes that occur with each inhalation and exhalation, such as the sensation of swallowing in your throat, the expansion of your chest with inhalation and its contraction with exhalation, or the rise and fall of your abdomen with natural breathing. With each breath, perceive the vitality and rhythm of this body. The breath serves as an anchor, grounding you in the present moment. If your mind wanders, it's okay. It's normal. Without self-judgment, firmly and gently redirect your attention back to the breath each time you become aware of drifting away. No matter how often your mind wanders, you can refocus on the breath again. While attending to the breath, expand your awareness to the entire body. Notice your posture, facial expressions, muscle tension or relaxation, etc. There's no need to correct or adjust anything, observe their presence. If you sense discomfort or tension in any specific part of your body, focus on that area during inhalation and then let go of it during exhalation. Allow these tensions and discomforts to dissipate with each gentle and open breath gradually. You can say during exhalation, whatever this sensation is, it's already here. Let me feel it. Then, let this vast and profound sensation expand as much as possible. That concludes today's breathing space practice. Did you experience a greater sense of peace in your mindset? At least, the intense heat in Texas no longer seems as daunting to me. If you're interested in this topic, please like and comment. Based on your feedback, I will promptly adjust the video's topic and create more content. If you have any suggestions, feel free to share them in the comments section. Thank you, and see you in the next episode.